Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the IRQL, not less or equal error on Windows 10. Basically, this error typically happens when a device driver tries to access memory addresses which lack the valid access rights or permission. Typically, you see this error in some type of blue screen message as such. Okay, the first method is we're going to go to the search bar and type in memory diagnostic. Next, you're going to click on restart now and check for problems, which is recommended. All right, so while the computer is restarting, it's going to load us back up in the memory diagnostic screen. We're at the diagnostic screen. We're going to let it run until it completes. All right, after the diagnostic tool is done running, check if the error is still there. If it is, then we're going to try a second method. The next method, we're going to go to Device Manager. Okay, once we're in Device Manager, what we're going to do is go to Disk Drives, drop down menu, and we're going to go to the disk or device in question that's giving you the problem that you think is the problem, and you're going to select it. Go to Properties, you're going to go to Policies, and you're going to select Quick Removal. Press OK. Usually you're going to get a pop-up that's asking you to reset your computer. Go ahead and press yes and let your computer restart and see if the problem is resolved. If it's not, I'm going to show you one final method to fix the issue. The last troubleshooting recommendation I would give you is to isolate the problem. So if you have any USB devices connected to your computer, maybe an external hard drive, maybe a keyboard, maybe a mouse that uses USB, maybe a USB stick, systematically remove each device and see if the problem goes away, and that way you'll be able to identify which device is having the issue or if it solves the problem altogether. That way you'll know where to look next. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.